Look, guys, look, hi guys, look, I saw something over there. Oh my god. Look at the wind, it's so strong.
And that's channel. And guys,
And there was a hurricane, look.
and Vale saw the hurricane was raining too much.
Yes.
And me. What about me?
Did you saw it? Did you saw it too? Did you saw it too? Did you saw it too?
And
Whoa.
and just grab it.
Oh my god.
It's thundering.
No, it's not. It's not thundering.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Dennys, help me
Oh
burn
my
it.
god.
Burn it. Sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god.
This hurricane, look.
Oh my god. Oh. I saw it, yes. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. We survived a hurricane.
What's the hurricane?
Look, I Oh my god. The storm is right there.
Again. And it's thundering.
No, it's not, Elias. Let me put my seatbelt on. This is so insane, bro. So insane, bro.
What's the hurricane?
I didn't see anything, Elias. Oh, look, it's raining. It's raining tacos. Tacos. What happened? Okay. You can't put your seatbelt? Oh my god.
Look at that.
See? Oh my god. Whoa. Denny, look, saw the window, look. Saw the window.
Oh my god. That's a lot of hurricane, guys.
Look, the window.
Let me do it. Look how many
Look at the ground. Check the ground.
Check the ground, guys. Look at that 12 car. It's going to not work. My dad's car is not bad working. Oh, look at the sky. What?
Oh, look at the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's floating.
I didn't see anything.
Floating in.
You guys,
That is a bad day today. Wah. Oh my god.
Tiene cinturón puesto, ¿verdad?
Oh.
¿Y ella también? ¿Ah? Es que nadie tiene que estarle diciendo que se pongan cinturón. Ya saben que los niños, cuando se suben a los carros, tienen que ponerse el cinturón inmediatamente.
okay, ya le puse.
No esperar hasta que alguien les diga que se pongan el cinturón.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye.